from Matchbox. When you've got a couple of guys like this in the house, it's always fun to see what they're up to next. And ever since he got Rocky the robot truck,
Rocky, reporting for duty.
We're on it.
my son has become Daddy's little helper.
Whoa, that's heavy. Backing up.
Rocky's a completely interactive friend with his own personality and over 80 phrases.
Make some noise if you want to dance.
Let's dance.
It's kind of like I've got 3 boys now, but if it means having more times like this, I'm all for it. Rocky the robot truck vehicle, only from Matchbox.